Well, folks, today on my 1943 Ford GPW, I want to tell you a little bit about upgrading, as I always do with all my military vehicles, okay? I know a lot of y'all are purists. You want to put the original points back in the distributor. You want to keep it all original. I don't. I want it to run. I want it to start. And a lot of these things, like this Igniter electronic ignition kit from Perktronics, those folks make one for the 4-cylinder little Jeep engine that goes in these things, okay? You go on their website, perktronics.com, and you can find it. And so with that, I'm also going to replace the coil, and that goes with it as a match. So you can look at, it's real easy to do. You just take out the points, you go open up the distributor, you put this in, you put the new coil on, put it back in there, fire it up, and it's ready to rock and roll. And you will never have points to adjust or fail you ever again, okay? I can tell you. I do that with all of my military vehicles. Again, log on, preferred vendor, perktronics.com, and you can see all the rest of the folks that I recommend that you actually contact out there. If you're looking for a military vehicle part, these guys that I highly recommend is because Bob's used them before, okay? I can personally guarantee you if you contact one of these folks on our list that you're going to get treated well, and the best price that you could absolutely have is going to get it from those companies. So with that, that's our segment this week from Military Collectors.